Hello! We wanted to make a quick video that gives you a good idea of what to expect when you call Roofing Turtle out for a roof inspection. When you schedule an inspection with us, we'll send out a roofing expert along with a drone to do a flyover. We have a nice LCD screen to show you exactly what we're looking at and explain what it means to you, the homeowner. By doing a flyover, we'll be able to spot potential problems like we found on this roof. Problems such as dislodged flashing and other flashing issues, exposed nail heads, on the ridge in this case, pipe jacks and boots that are exposed and need to be resealed, chimney wood rot that needs to be replaced, sealed, and painted. The reason for this particular inspection was that the customer complained of leaking. The visible leaking in the house is likely from a rodent that had torn down the vapor barrier and has exposed the siding, leading to wind-driven rain blowing against the side and getting into the attic. If you call Roofing Turtle to have an inspection done, we'll walk you through everything we find and help you make an informed decision on how to fix your roof and make sure that it doesn't cause a bigger issue. We'll also work with your insurance company to make sure to get the most we can covered to minimize your out-of-pocket expense. To get a quote or schedule an inspection, call 1-833-688-7853. You can also visit us online at roofingturtle.com.